أيضا سوف تقوم شركة الاتصال الخاصة بكم باحتساب رسوم التجوال المستخدمة على متن الطائرة. الرجاء اختيار وضعية الاهتزاز على تشغيل الهاتف وذلك لتجنب إزعاج الركاب من حولكم. أتمنى لكم رحلة سعيدة معنا اليوم. الرجاء عدم التردد في طلب المساعدة مني أو من أحد أفراد الطاقم خلال الرحلة، وشكرا.
Ladies and gentlemen, all multinational cabin crew on board today come from 22 countries and speak 25 languages. Please ask us for any help throughout the flight. A warm welcome to our Emirates Skywards and Qantas frequent flyer members. When you join Emirates Skywards, you enjoy rewards and privileges every time you fly. Ask our cabin crew about our recent enrollment cards. You can even earn miles on this flight. Ladies and gentlemen, we are offering 10 megabytes of free Wi-Fi data on today's flight. Log on to the on-air Wi-Fi network. Use the promo code 10FREE even on screen. Mobile phone and data services are also available. All roaming charges will be billed by your service provider. Please set your mobile phone to vibrate or silent as a courtesy to others. You can use your laptop with the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please look at the card in your seat pocket for further details. We hope you enjoy your flight. If there's anything we can do to help you, please let us know.